Recovery isn't just about stopping harmful behaviors. It's also about building a mindset that supports happiness and resilience. That's where unconditional life acceptance comes in. This pillar of acceptance in smart recovery helps you build a strong emotional foundation by teaching you how to fully accept life's challenges. Universal life acceptance is about accepting life in all its complexity. It means understanding that life is a mix of good and bad, easy and hard, and it's all part of the journey. In life, there are ups and downs, and sometimes things don't go the way we want. Universal life acceptance is about knowing that it's just how life works. By accepting life's challenges, we become stronger and more resilient, ready to face whatever comes next. In tough times, instead of asking, "Why me?" consider saying, "Why not me?" Challenges are a part of life, and you're strong enough to handle them without turning to an addictive behavior to cope. By learning to unconditionally accept life as it is, you're building a strong, resilient mindset that's ready for anything. With unconditional life acceptance, you're not just surviving these challenges, you're thriving through them. Learn more at smartrecovery.org.